In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about HubSpot Calculated Properties, what they are, and how you can effectively use them to streamline your operations. To begin, you'll want to ensure that you are logged into your HubSpot account. Now, once you're in, you should navigate to the trial guide. This particular section is crucial as it houses all the resources you need to kick off your form building process, offering guidance and support every step of the way. Now, let's move to your homepage. Here, you'll want to click on your profile icon, located typically in the top right corner of the page. Once there, go ahead and click on the option labeled Profile and Preferences. This menu serves as a hub for customizing your account to better suit your needs and preferences. Look to the left side of your screen where you'll find the Settings panel. Under the Management section, there's an option labeled Properties. Click on it. Properties are essentially fields that store data about your contacts, companies, or deals. Once you're in the Properties section, you'll now move to the right side of the screen and click the Create Property button. Now, we're entering the essential part of this process, creating your property. Here's where you will need to input the property label. Be sure to be descriptive here. A good label helps you and others avoid any future confusion by clearly representing what the property is about. Next, once you've given your property a label, direct your attention back to the left side of the screen where you see the field type option. Click on it to view the different field types that HubSpot offers. From this list, you're going to select Calculation. This is a special field type that lets you carry out calculations based on the properties or numeric data you have in your database. These settings are quite powerful, as they not only allow you to determine how the results of your calculations will appear, but also offer various customization options. This means you can tailor these features specifically to meet your needs, ensuring that the calculated data is not only correct, but also presented in a manner that's most useful for you and your team. Once you've carefully set up your new calculated property with all the settings adjusted to your preference, you're ready for the final step. Simply click the Create button, and there you have it. You've successfully created a calculated property within HubSpot, which can help make your data more insightful and actionable. I hope this guide has been helpful and you're now ready to utilize calculated properties to enhance your HubSpot experience. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.